love to do that. Okay? Now what are we going to do? Here you are seeing many balloons are there. Yeah? Tell me. Red, very good. White, yellow, blue, purple. Yes, there are so many colors. Now what we are going to do? We are going to burst these balloons. Okay? Now I will tell you, I will call you one by one. I will tell you which color of balloon you have to burst. Okay?